You guys, hey, yo, it's 3 p.m. right now. I just leave my house right now. Throughout the whole entire day, you guys, it's been so, it's been, what am I saying? Like, from in the morning, we had a bad weather. It was raining throughout the whole entire day, yo. It just stopped right now. I'm like, you know what? I've been inside, I've been sleeping the whole entire day. Let me go sleep. I said, let me go work. So you guys, it's 3:27 right now. So let me go and see if I can make at least $100 because I'm gonna finish at night, like around 8, 9, whatever, just to make $100 for tonight, y'all. So happy Wednesday, you guys. Happy Wednesday. Let's go make this cash for today. I hope it's not gonna rain again because we had a very, very bad weather today, y'all. So let me turn on my Spark up. I just left home right now, like right now. Okay, I will see you guys when I give my first order. Just got my first order, you guys. $15 going for Mayo's, and I'm going to shop for 10 items. 10 items, you guys. So yeah, let's go. It's $3.49 right now. $3.49. You guys, I'm sorry about my look, y'all. This definitely coming out this weekend. Okay, let's go shopping. I'm all done, you guys. And now I'm going to check out. Okay, y'all. I am here. Too much dogs around. I'm being scared right now. You guys, I am 10 minutes away from the store, and I just received an order, you guys. I just received another offer, $18 shopping order, and it's only going 2 miles, and I'm going to shop for 10 items, you guys. 10 items. So let's go shop for this order, you guys. Let's go shop for this order. So you guys, I just realized some items have this next to the barcode where we usually scan. So I tried to scan it and it was not going through, and I knew it was like the right things. So I was like, what's going on? And I scanned it again, that didn't work. And I tried to like do somehow, and it worked. So I realized, I was scanning this little thing. So I had to cover it and scan again, and it went through. I was like, oh, okay. I learned something new. I just learned something new, yeah. So my last items. All right, so let's go. Let's go check out, y'all. I just knocked on the door. I'm waiting for them to come so can I verify the ID. It's 5:02, you guys. 5:02. I am going back at Walmart to wait for some more orders. And this is what I always talk about, you guys. Shopping order database. I just made $34 in 1 hour, you guys. Those 2 orders that I just did, I did it in 1 hour. See, $34 in 1 hour. But if it was a curbside order, I have been only one order. So I have an order, y'all. Yeah, I have an order, shopping order again, $17. It's going 5 miles, and I'm only shopping for 2 items, y'all. Shopping for 2 items. And that I remember in my previous video, you guys, I told you about delivering for the shopping for alcohol stuff. So my first one, it was alcohol order. Second one it was, and this one it was. So you have to do that test, you guys. If you don't mind delivering for alcohol, go ahead and do the certification for delivering alcohol, because you will get more orders, you guys. You will get more orders. Like, I feel like most of alcohol orders I get them. Maybe over here where I work, there's like a lot of people, they don't have that certification. That's why maybe I keep getting a lot. Like, just keep pay attention to my to those orders that I be getting. It's a lot. Like 80% it's alcohol shopping orders. Like 80% of my orders, you have alcohol in it. So if you don't mind delivering for alcohol, go ahead and do the certification. You will find that certification things in your app. Go to settings, and I think you're gonna see the certification stuff. So go ahead, like. Okay, let's go deliver this. I am here at the house already. Let me try to take this by 2-2. You guys, it's 5:40 right now, and I just received another order, and it's a curbside pickup. It paid good, so I had to take it. $28 going 8 miles, and within 3 drop-off. So I am on my way going at Walmart right now to pick it up, y'all. And the pickup time is 5:50. So, and right now it's 5:41. So we still have time. Okay, yo, I'm by myself here in the parking lot, so this order better be ready. Okay, it's 5:50 right now. I'm about to start my order. I hope it's ready. Okay, you guys, my order is ready as soon as I started, so I hope they take no time to bring it out, because, as I said, I am by myself in this parking lot. Okay, yeah, this is my last one out of 3 dropped off. My last drop off. My first one was crazy. They have 4 cases of water, you guys, and I didn't see that thing before I took the order, but it's okay. As I told you before, you guys, if I don't see no apartment on it, I don't tend to check how many cases of water it is, because it's not going on apartment. So I don't be caring, to be honest. So let's go. Okay, guys, it's 6:34 right now. I just received another offer, you guys. $15 going for my, and it's a shopping order, and I'm going to shop it. It's a lot of items, 19 items, but it's okay. We can do it. It's okay. So when I'm done with this order, you guys, I'm gonna be sitting on 95, you guys. Ooh. Gonna be on $95, so that's very good, because we started at 4 o'clock. Okay, all done. Let's go deliver it. To be honest, this was a lot for $15, yeah, but it's okay. Okay, you guys, I am done for the day, you guys, because I'm not receiving orders for the past 30 minutes, and it's 8 something right now. So I'm like, okay, it's getting slow. Now it's time to go home. You guys, We made 110, you guys. 110, 110. So I'm super excited. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. Like, how was your day, you guys? How was your day? How was your market? How was your weather today? Because did I tell you what day was today? Today is Wednesday, by the way. Today is Wednesday. So how was your Wednesday? How was the weather? Because the weather didn't let me work earlier, y'all. So, but I'm so grateful for the money that I made today, because I didn't have that money. And okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.